Exploding Star Orchestra, it's a little bit unique because we're dealing with two suites. One of the suites is called Stingray in the Beginning of Time, which deals with the story of a stingray that comes from a piece of space matter and then transforms into an electric eel, eventually dies, becomes a bird, becomes a phoenix, becomes a rocket ship, and goes back out into the universe and becomes a star again. It's about birth and rebirth. The second composition on the record that we'll play tonight is called Cosmic Tones for Sleepwalking Lovers, which deals with the concept of love and the idea of awakening to some kind of inner light. Also, within the composition is recorded electric eels which I recorded in the Amazon when I was living in the rainforest in the Amazon. So some of the sounds that you hear on the recording, some of the sounds that you hear live that are coming from the computer are in actuality electric eels from the Black River in Manaus. For this specific project, the visuals came afterwards, but I'm always thinking in terms of visuals. So the visuals that we'll be presenting are by Raymond Salvatore Harmon, who did a really nice DVD film about the Chicago Underground Trio that was released this year. That was a live video incorporating these same kind of elements, the idea of abstract light being performed in real time. He plays it with a mixer. But yeah, I don't know what else to say than that. I mean, the visuals is certainly very much entwined with the sound of the music.